a birthday cake because it's gonna be my 30th birthday. I nicked the back of it, so don't mind.
How'd you roll?
You know. Oh my gosh, Spencer! And I got strawberries and champagne because birthday without alcohol is not fun. And then flowers, and then a photo of me.
I like your use of your coaster
I don't
there.
smoke, so it's a coaster.
So we're here in Istanbul, and this is Aubrn, Tiny Traveler, and Spencer from Straight to the Point. We are going to Airbnb food tour, right?
Yeah.
Yep. And so Airbnb food tour, dinner, rooftop, and just a lot of food. Headed to breakfast. You don't have platinum status though.
I don't. So who's gonna pay for their breakfast?
Why not?
Hello. We're gonna go see the Hagia Sophia. Is it Hagia Sophia?
Hagia.
Hagia Sophia? It opens at 9. We're here at
9:05.
9:05, 9:07. And this line is kind of really long. This is the line over here. So it's 9:38. The line moved pretty quickly then.
Yeah.
It only took us, 30 minutes to get through that line? And
Yeah,
so,
it wasn't bad.
Yeah,
so
it wasn't bad
maybe
at all.
worth it. Just to make sure the line's moving.
Yeah. So you got your headscarf or your hair covered.
Yes.
And now we're gonna go inside the mosque. Right. Get them checked. Let's see, 46. So we just walked through the mosque and it was really cool. And we got out here, the line looks like it's out longer and the gate looks like it's closed. Maybe we're at the capacity, or I don't know sure what that means, but we got here at 9 and the line kept moving continuously, so I think maybe the trick might be to get here early when it first opens. So we just got done with our food tour over on the Asia side. Tried to go to the Basilica Cistern, but it's closed. The other cistern we were trying to go to was also closed, but now we're headed over to Dolmabahce Palace and gonna go check that out. So we just got done walking through the palace and they don't allow videos or photos, but it was a really awesome palace. I definitely recommend you check it out if you're here in Istanbul. And now we're gonna head up to a different neighborhood close by here to grab some drinks and some food. Ice cream, baked potato, maybe go find some like a donor or something like that.
Yeah, I feel like I need to try a mussel. Weird but good. The baked potato was 85 Turkish lira, which right now is like $3 US.
Very clean at all. Oh yeah, it's like rice or something.
Turkish ice cream is good.
Thank you.
Polislerin oradayım.
Flying here from Istanbul over to Dubai, and I'm currently at the IGA Business Class Lounge, and let me show you around.